Ayoko sabihin pero kasi may alam ko pero nasabi ko na yun na. You keep on talking about smart contracts earlier. Ano pong network ito available? I'm hearing, kasi hindi ko nakita sa PR eh. Alam mo, nagbabasa ako, alam mo yan ha, Jen. Anong network? Pero mo bang sabihin or hulaan ko na lang ulit?
But it's obviously in a network wherein there's a lot of usage by Filipinos. Let's leave it at that. If you look at, because we're looking at our data, we've looked at, what are the networks / chains that people are using in terms of unique users, transaction volume, and we've shortlisted actually 3 chains. But for the sandbox phase, I will probably launch in 1 or 2. But we've been talking to a lot of networks as well who express interest. Kasi one of the biggest use case for any chain is payment. Ang daming kumakausap na sa amin when they saw the news was, how can we launch this on our chain as well?
Meaning listing on their chains, in their exchanges.
Yes, exchanges and the chains. So